Every country has its own unique set of driving regulations. As car structures change and as a result of boundary modifications, so do the traffic rules and driving styles. For example, people drive on the right hand of the road in some nations and on the left in others. The vast majority of people on the planet drive on the right side of the road. However, left-handed traffic is still used in 76 countries and territories, and those that do are primarily former British colonies. The practice is believed to date back to ancient Rome. The left hand was used to maneuver carts and chariots, allowing the right hand to be used to defend enemy attacks. Furthermore, a right-handed person finds it easier to mount the horse from the left side, which would be quite difficult if wearing a sword on that left side. This trend continued in medieval Europe, and in 1773, the British government enacted legislation mandating left-handed driving. Countries that were once a part of the British Empire did the same. This is why India, Australia, and the old British colonies in Africa continue to drive on the left. Although Japan was never a member of the British Empire, its traffic follows the same path. However, in the post-revolutionary era, France preferred the right. This is because Napoleon was left-handed, and riding on the right side proved to be a frightening military technique. He ultimately forced this French custom of following right-hand traffic on his newly captured states. Right-hand traffic dates back to the 18th century in the United States. Horse teams were used to move freight wagons, and the drivers rode on the left rear side. This enabled them to control their teams with their right hand, and when traffic switched to the right, drivers could easily avoid collisions. By placing the driver's controls on the vehicle's left side, American cars were built to be driven on the right. With the mass manufacturing of reliable and affordable vehicles in the United States, first exports followed the same design, and many countries were forced to amend their road rules. With the emergence of the vehicle and increased worldwide traffic, several countries eventually shifted to the right in order to blend in with their neighbors. Additionally, in 1967, the government of Sweden spent around $120 million preparing its citizens to begin driving on the right. There are still many countries that follow left-hand traffic. Notably today, only 4 European countries still drive on the left: the United Kingdom, Ireland, Cyprus, and Malta. If you enjoyed this video and want to join our journey on learning about the who, what, when, where, why, and how of the human experience, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the Reverie Media YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter @TheReverieMedia. We hope to see you there.